Oh, hey guys! Today we are making super slime. I'm Benji, and today we are making slime. You need hot water, glue, this, and this. First, you need to get the glue and pour it into this big bucket. Now we're going to put some glue in. Glue. Oh, it's going, stopping and going fast. I go all in, finally go all in. Here, I know. Now I'm going to put the baking soda in. Now, mix it. Bluey. Mixy. Now, we're going to put this in. Squeeze. Oh, flying everywhere. Now we have to mix it. Oh, this made it easy. Woo. Now we have to put the whole water This is getting tough. Blue fly. This is almost slime. Slime. It's slime now. Yeah, it's still yucky. Oh, no. Ew, so. I guess now it's slime. It's definitely slime. Now I'm gonna pick it up. Ooh, that's so cool, isn't it? Oh, get off me, you sticky yucky man. Now, here's the slime. It's all clear and it smells. On the glue it said cola, but it smells like chili. But let's now put the food coloring in. But first, we have to split it up. Split. Now, this one's gonna be green. This one's red. Bloop. That'll be enough for green. This will be red. Blue. That will be enough. It's dripping, it's licking. I'll put it over. Now we'll squish it together. Oh no, it's messy. Really messy. Now, sound was weird. Smoosh, smoosh, smoosh them together. Roll him up. Now squish. Okay, boop. The white parts, Kathy. I want red, not white. Now it's done. Now we have to do green. You smushy. Smush, smush, smush. Ah, my table is green. No, don't stick together. You. Now we need to mix this part up. Otherwise it will not make slime. But it's all sticking. Wow. And that is a slime. Now. Boom, 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 boom. Now we need to smush it together. Now, glitter. I'm going to do green first. That will be enough. Oops. I think that's a little too much. Now, this looks like this. Now we have to mix it up. Ooh, this is so great. Now mix flat. You. Now is the red. Hold it up. Squish. Hey, you didn't come out. It looks like a sandwich. Come up. Flip. Woo! Woo! Ha! Wee! Now here's the red. And I'm going to show the green in a minute. Here's the red. Squishy. Now the green. I like the green. Blue, 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 blue. Blue, blue, blue. He's like a spider web. Ah! Oh, ew. Now I finished with you guys. Baba, you and you go aside, and you go there. Now we have to split this one up because we are doing more colors, 2 more than boom. So don't go together. You don't go together with red or green. You definitely don't go with him. You stay here. No. There. Now the purple. There's berries some in there. Now let's see the orange. Oh, it's shining. Orange. Oh, that looks like red. Now let's do the orange. Oh no. I'm gonna be careful with this. gonna crack it. I'm just gonna slap, slap, slap. Ew. Ew. Hey! Don't go together. Oh, it's turning into orange. Ew. It looks like jelly. Now, mix it up. Ew. Looks so gross. It's even sticking to me. Fantastic. Ew. Emma, from McDonald's? No. Ew. You got me orange. Whoa. Baby, 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 baby. Purple, purple, purple. Slap, 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 slap. Baby, baby, baby. Make it slam, make it slam. It was dripping from my hands. The sun has to be purple and blue and every colour in the world almost. Ew, 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 ew. I'm slapping it with my dirty hands. This is definitely sticky and messy. I have to make these all into a bowl. If it drops, oh, there's a big, big trouble. Circle, you be in. You do not drip. So, here are all the colours. Purple, orange, green and red. Comment down below which one is your favourite colour. Orange, purple, green or red. Red, no! Why are they mixing all the time? I don't want you to mix. So, there you have it. Slime. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Subscribe and leave a like. I hope you enjoyed my first video. See you next time.